For decades, the backbone of American home services hasn't been high-tech. It's been built on messy spreadsheets, fragmented Facebook groups, and unreliable word of mouth. If you want to hire a technician, verify a company, research a market, or find a distributor, you're forced to jump between dozens of different websites just to piece together a single picture. It's an industry operating in the dark. Fix9 changes that. We aren't just building another directory. We are building the identity layer for the entire home services industry. Every company, every technician, every role, every market, every manufacturer, all of them finally connected in one searchable network. Think of it as LinkedIn for the trades, IMDb for contractors, or Crunchbase for home services. For contractors, it's a place to claim verified profiles and build a reputation that actually sticks. For technicians, it's a career hub to showcase certifications and experience to companies that are actively hunting for talent. Manufacturers, distributors, and investors can finally see this massive industry through a single lens. And because every profile and market is interconnected, Fix9 becomes exponentially more valuable with every single person who joins. We are building the operating map of the home services world. This is Fix9.